Hello everyone, today we're diving deep into the world of backend development with a head-to-head comparison of two giants in the industry, Firebase and Supabase. Both platforms offer amazing features, but there are some significant differences that could influence your choice, especially when using Flutterflow. So let's get started. First, let's talk about Firebase. Firebase is a product of Google and has been a reliable tool for developers for quite some time. It offers a real-time NoSQL database, which is great for applications that require instant data synchronization, like chat apps or real-time gaming platforms. Firebase also has impressive authentication features, analytics, and hosting services that integrate seamlessly into the Google ecosystem. Not to mention, it has a strong support for mobile and web apps, making it a solid choice for cross-platform development with Flutterflow. However, it's important to note that Firebase uses a non-relational database, which might not be suitable for projects that need a structured and relational data approach. Now, Supabase is relatively new but has been rapidly gaining popularity. Supabase aims to be the open source alternative to Firebase and offers a Postgres-based SQL database, which is beneficial for those who prefer the structure and reliability of SQL databases. It's particularly useful for projects that require complex queries and relational data. Also has a built-in authentication, storage, and real-time capabilities. Similar to Firebase, but its real-time functionalities are based on WebSockets, which can improve and provide a more efficient data transfer mechanism in certain scenarios. Additionally, Supabase allows you to host your database wherever you want, offering more flexibility and independence compared to Firebase, which is subject to Google infrastructure. When it comes to pricing, Firebase offers a free tier, but costs can quickly add up if use app scales up, especially with the real-time database. Storage and database read writes are some of the main cost drivers. On the other hand, Supabase also provides a free tier, but is generally more predictable in pricing since it's based on traditional server hosting metrics rather than the pay-as-you-go model Firebase uses. So it will depend on the context. If you don't target the free limit of your Firebase project, they won't charge you, and also the Firebase cloud messaging won't charge until first 5,000 users. In terms of features, Firebase real-time database fits well in apps needing instant updates, and its machine learning capabilities are a big plus. However, Supabase shines with its SQL database, which many developers find easier to use for complex queries and relational data management. Plus, since Supabase is open source, it allows for more flexibility and customization, which is a huge advantage for developers who like to have a control over their backend setup. Also, it's important to remember that Supabase will require some SQL code, but nothing complicated at all. In conclusion, if you're working on a real-time application or need a strong integration with Google's suite of tools, Firebase is the way to go. However, if you prefer SQL databases and need a more customizable open source option, Supabase is an excellent alternative. Both platforms have their strengths, and your choice will ultimately depend on the specific needs of your project. So you will decide the final decision.